Good morning students, welcome to chemistry class. Now topic 3 from ionic equilibrium lesson. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Consider the ionization of weak monobasic acid HA in water. HA plus H2O gives H3O plus A minus. So we can write Kc value is equal to H3O plus A minus divided by HA H2O. H2O value is constant value. This is considered to be K, and Kc as well as K value we shall write combined Ka. See here, Ha, that is Ka is equal to H plus A minus divided by Ha. So here that concentration of hydronium ion is in acidic buffer solution depends on the ratio of concentration of weak acid to the concentration of conjugate base. So what is it? H3O. Find out H3O plus concentration or H plus concentration is equal to Ka by acid by base. So here weak acid to the concentration. So weak acid to the concentration of its conjugate base. Conjugate base. The weak acid is dissociated only to small extent. Moreover, due to common ion effect, the dissociation is further suppressed. So suppressed, and hence the equilibrium concentration is nearly equal to the initial concentration of the unionized acid. Similarly, the concentration of conjugate base is nearly equal to the initial concentration of added salt. H3O plus is equal to acid by salt. Acid as well as salt represents initial concentration of the acid and the salt respectively, used to prefer actually buffer solution. So taking logarithm on both sides of the equation, log H3O plus is equal to log Ka plus log acid by salt. Reverse the sign on both sides. So minus log H3 plus is equal to minus log Ka minus log acid by salt. So instead of log minus log H3O plus, we can write pH. Instead of minus log Ka, we can write pKa. Let us see now. pH value is equal to minus log H3O plus and pKa is equal to minus log Ka. We shall substitute now. Instead of writing this pH value minus log H3O plus, instead of we can write pH. Instead of writing minus log Ka, we can write pKa minus log acid by salt. Suppose if you are changing acid by salt here, salt by acid means the sign will be changes here. pH is equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. This is for acidic buffer. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer, this equation. We shall write for basic buffer also. POH is equal to pKb plus log salt by base. This is for basic buffer. This is Henderson equation. This is also very important 5-mark question. By using this formula, we shall go for some more problems. Find the pH of a buffer solution containing 0.20 mole per liter sodium acetate and 0.18 mole per liter acetic acid. Ka for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. Question is what here? pH. Find the pH. According to Henderson equation, we know that formula, the pH is equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. So, what are the given value? Ka value is given. 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 is given. So, pKa value is equal to minus log 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. We shall write this 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to 5 minus log 1.8. Log 1.8 value 0.26. So 5 minus 0.26. We can minus this. From 5 minus 0.26 we can get 4.74. This is pKa value. Now we are going to substitute this value into pH. pH is equal to 4.74 plus log 0.20 by 0.18. So 4.74 plus log, if you are dividing this, we can get 10 by 9, which I'll write once again. 4.74 plus log 10 minus log 9. 4.74 plus log 10 value is equal to 1. So 1 we can write. And log 9 value is equal to 0.95. So 4.74 plus 1, 5.74 minus 0.95. We are subtracting 4.79 answer. So pH value is equal to 4.79. We shall go for next problem. What is the pH? Here also pH. What is the pH of an aqueous solution obtained by mixing 6 grams of acetic acid and 8.2 grams of sodium acetate, making the volume equal to 500 ml. Here also the given Ka value for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. According to Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, the pH value is equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. So pKa value is equal to minus log Ka. So the Ka value already given in the question, minus log 1.8 to the power minus 5. So it is equal to 4.74. We find out already in the previous sum. So salt by acid, what is a salt? Salt, number of moles of sodium acetate divided by volume of solution in liter. What is meant by number of moles of sodium acetate? Number of moles of sodium acetate is equal to mass of sodium acetate divided by molar mass of sodium acetate. So mass of sodium acetate already given in the question, that is 8.2 grams. And molar mass of sodium acetate you have to find out. So mass of sodium acetate 8.2 already in the question, and molar mass of sodium acetate is 82 is equal to 0.1. The salt is equal to 0.1 mole divided by 500 ml is given, so we can get half liter is equal to 0.2 moles. Now acid value going to find out. Acid, same thing, mass of acetic acid, molar mass of acetic acid divided by volume of solution in liter. Mass of acetic acid, it is already given in the question. It is 6 grams of acetic acid, so we can write 6. Molar mass of acetic acid is 60 divided by 500 ml. So in volume in liter, so half. So we can cut this. We may get once again 0.2 moles. Now substitute this in pH value. pH is equal to pKa value, what we find out, 4.74 plus log. So 0.2 divided by 0.2. Salt by acid, both values are 0.2. So we can substitute 0.2 divided by 0.2. So pH is equal to 4.74 plus, we can cut this, log 1 will come. So log 1 value. Log 1 is equal to what? 0. So pH is equal to 4.74 plus 0. Once again 4.74. This is pH value. So students, up to this we are giving some notes. So you can study thoroughly. Thank you children.